In a world where skies are painted with dreams, a bird whispers to another, "Why do we fly so far?" The elder bird replies, "To find warmth, to grow stronger, to see the unseen." As they soar, they face storms and fatigue. "Why not stay?" the young one asks. "Because," the elder smiles, "the journey shapes us." They fly over mountains, witnessing the dance of the earth below. In the end, they return, hearts full of stories. We fly, the elder concludes, to become who we are meant to be. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.